Hey, it's Mike from Scoring Alpha. We all know that the situation in the markets can change pretty quickly and that it is difficult to stay up to date with all the changes in all the companies we may be interested in investing. That's why today I'm gonna show you the alerts in Scoring Alpha that can help you not only stay up to date with the changes for companies in your strategy, but also never again miss the good buying opportunity or some other opportunity that you may be interested in. Let's go! To create a new alert, first thing you need to do is click Other and Alerts, then just click New Alert. There are different types of alerts. Today I'm gonna talk only about the first type, which is alerts for the entire strategy. Here you can click to select the strategy that you want to set a new alert for, and also select category that the alert will be checking for updates or tracking. You can select total score or any of the existing categories in the selected strategy. There are three types of alerts. First, I will show the top companies. So let's say I put here number 5. So the alert will be for my sample strategy, for the total score, and 5 top companies in the strategy. You can see it here, but what does this alert actually do? So it will notify me about any changes in the list of the top 5 as specified companies. So here in this example, the top 5 companies, you can see them here, right? And if any of those companies, let's say Tesla, will get replaced with any other company, so let's say Tesla moves to position number 5 and Google or any other companies takes number 5 or the position 5 according to the total score, I will get an email saying, hey Mike, Tesla is out of top 5 companies in your strategy, and the new company that replaced that is Google or maybe something else. That allows me to maybe notice that some new company that I was not looking closely or paying attention to it, maybe it's getting higher and higher in my strategy. Another type of the alert, let's create a new alert. Now I will choose another category. I can specify the threshold scores for any of the categories, and then if any company in my strategy, if the score for this category goes below or above the threshold, I will get notified. So in this example, I will use the valuation category and my threshold score will be 20. The type is lower or equal. So I will add this alert, go back to my companies, and now when I sort all of the companies based on the valuation score, you can see that currently all of them, they have values above 23, right? But if any of those companies you see here, if the valuation score will get to 20 or will drop below 20 as specified in my alert, I will get another email saying, hey Mike, one of the companies in your strategy, the new valuation category score, it got below your threshold. So you may want to check what's going on. And with this example, the valuation getting below 20, it means that the company is getting expensive. So for me, it can be an indicator that, hey, maybe some company is getting like super expensive. Maybe it's an opportunity for shorting it. Not saying it's a good idea, but you may be interested in checking the companies that are getting really, really expensive or really, really cheap. Usually there is a reason for companies getting cheap, but you can update the alert we just created like that. Now it will notify you about the companies that the score it will get higher than 80. So in this case, all the companies here, you will not get notified because the score is already above 80, but maybe this one or this one, few days from now, they keep getting cheaper and the valuation score gets better, then you will get an email notification saying, hey, this and that company, the valuation score for them is now 80 or more. And if you want to, for some reason, you want to pause the alerts, it's just one click here to disable them. You don't need to delete the alerts, you can just, for some time, you can pause them. So you will not be bothered with the emails when you maybe don't have time for checking all the companies or tracking the alerts that closely. That's how you can set up alerts for your entire strategy. But how to use it for better investing? Personally, I don't use alerts as buying or selling signals. I treat them more as indicators at what companies I should look closer. Because maybe there is some company that was not on my radar, but the total score is getting good enough that I should be interested into checking it closer. Or maybe there is some buying opportunity because valuation of some company that previously was very expensive, maybe this valuation got much better to the point where again I should look closer at this company and see what's going on, whether I should buy or maybe wait for some more time. I hope you will find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to not miss our next videos about other types of alerts. That's it for today. Take care.